Welcome back to this week's video. We are Michael and Acacia, living and traveling full-time in our self-converted van Yeti, uncovering hidden gems and places to visit, hoping to inspire you to get outdoors and travel local. This week we visit 22 waterfalls just outside Porterville.
After a short gravel road, you'll find this campsite located on a farm along a stream. "22 Waterfalls" is an epic campsite only 160 kilometers from Cape Town. This is the ideal spot for outdoorsy people who enjoy spending time in nature. There are loads of campsites that all run along the stream, tucked under the treetops alongside.
After setting up camp, we lit the fire and enjoyed the last bit of sunlight sneaking through the trees.
Waking up the next morning and taking it slow, we decided to make breakfast on the fire with our friends from Awesome Road Trip. Erin treated us to her homemade sourdough and we made yummy cheese and spinach jaffels.
Once our bodies were fueled, we decided to take a mid-morning hike. This hike is the whole reason we came back to this campsite. In case you missed that video, the link is above.
The farm took its name from this hike as you follow the river upstream, taking you past 22 waterfalls. Yes, you heard that correct.
The hike is considered a climb. There are very steep parts which wouldn't be for you if you're afraid of heights, with some ladders to help you as you ultimately scale the gorge. If you are fit, don't mind a scramble and enjoy waterfalls, this is a must. Since you see 22 waterfalls along the way, it means you go from the bottom of the one you're looking at to the top of it, which is the bottom of the next. Some are larger than others, but each spectacular to see as they change. This hike took us around 5 hours, so we would recommend packing some snacks and water to keep you going. Since you hike up along the river, you are under the shade of the trees the whole way. So we made it to the top, time to go back to the van for some lunch. Back at camp, we cooked up some lunch and relaxed alongside the river. very peaceful campsite with the sound of water running through and the birds in the trees.
Join us next week for more videos just like this, finding epic campsites, bucket list hiking trails, and gems around the country.
Subscribe down below.